Beautiful home on almost 2 acres, double car oversized carport, large workshop with garage door and side carport off shop. Shop has offer section, water and electric. House has hurricane shutters. Beautiful stone wood burning fireplace. Tiled Florida room with fans. Kitchen with wood cabinets, breakfast bar that will seat 5, large 6x 7.6 pantry and tiled floors. Dining room with tiled floors and frosted window to den. All bedrooms are good size. Front entry with brick walls and electric gate. Vinyl white fence across front yard. This is a must-see. Beautiful mature trees and landscaping.